Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install WPS Office on Windows. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the official WPS website at WPS.com. Once you are on the homepage, look at the top menu and click on the Download section. Here you'll see options for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. Since we're focusing on Windows, click the free download button under the Windows option. This will download the setup file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the WPS installer file. A security prompt may appear asking if you want to run the file, so click Run. Next, the installer will open. Review the license agreement and then click Install Now. The installation may take a few minutes depending on your system. Once it's complete, you'll see a screen that allows you to launch WPS Office. Simply click Get Started to open the app. Now you can start creating and editing documents, spreadsheets, and presentations directly on your Windows computer. So that's basically how you can download and install WPS Office on Windows. That's it for this video. Thanks.